Bleeding Through, Poetry Force's new 72-poem collection in 4 parts is now available at Amazon in both e-versions and trade paperback. In these pages, you will find nature, yes. But these are not poems in which the viewer sees the frightening blue of mountains for the first time, admiring their height, the crown of deer they wear, or the flight of eagles above. Rather, these are poems where the viewer finds an aspect of himself suddenly, unexpectedly, as he strains up a precipice or looks out from it. Here, in sensing, grappling with, appreciating, or cherishing the whole, another face bleeds through, more human than before. Here, not just man and nature, but their interlocking. As the mountain climbs the man, the stream runs through him, the sky flies from eye to eye across him. Here, in these poems, then, is a standing in, not outside of nature, a discovery of the stitching threads, the roots, the chords. Here, from the solid, is a bleeding through. Here, right here, yourself. Welcome.